Guys, Dave's here. Well, you see I took my door off after fixing that trim up. Need to fix the door up now and everything and paint it. Okay, first thing I done was flip it over here and take out the hardware. If you can take your panel off here, you get a better finish. You got little plugs in here and you can pop them out. This one's been in here a while and I'm having a hard time getting them out. So I'm going to take my drill. I think I can buy these. Well, I found about a 1/4 inch drill bit does a little bit better on it. And when you pop it out, you got the screw then you can take your screwdriver, take them out. So let me do the rest of these here. That way we can get a good finish on this and we can paint this up separate. Okay, now that we've got that off there, we can either take the sponge, block of sandpaper and sand it, or if you've got a DA sander and use it. Okay, now that we have it all sanded down and everything, now we need to wash it off. I got some detergent, scrubbing pad, and a brush. Okay, put you some cardboard or something over the windows, then take you some blue painter's tape and stick it on here. And it don't have to be perfect. Take your finger now and mash it in. Take you a sharp knife and then you can cut it. Okay, now we're ready for paint. After we got a piece of cardboard on there and taped it up and everything, and now I'm going to use the Rust-Oleum. Now it's got paint and primer, so it should work good here. So let's try it out. I'm going to paint it glossy black just like I did my shutters. Okay, let that coat on set for about 15 minutes, 30 minutes, something like that, and then let's spray another coat on here. Okay, I've sanded, I've scraped, washed this piece off and everything. Now it's dried, and now I'm going to use the Rust-Oleum white on it. So let's paint it. Paint the inside first. Okay, well guys, I got it back installed and everything. Got the trim on there. Now it looks like a brand new door here. Now be sure, if you paint this on either spray paint or brush on, be sure to take off your rubber in here until this fully dries. You know, give it a day or two before doing that. Now, I've not installed the hardware yet. I might wait a little bit longer before I install it too. So remember, guys, you know, anybody can do this. You don't have to be a rocket scientist. I mean, make the old look new. It's better than buying a new door. As always, thanks for watching, guys.